So today I discuss about this video promoting for using with the Twitter ads. How to promote the YouTube video using with the Twitter ads. This is my video. I can share with you my Twitter page already. Just go to tweet. So the video is already posted by where? In the Twitter post. How to promote this video using with the Twitter ads. There's nothing but how to promote the increase the views for my YouTube video views. Just here, I can go to my ad manager, the Twitter account. Already done with my post where the Twitter post along with the 280 characters. So what the option call is create a campaign. See here, what is that? Website clicks and conversion. YouTube clicks and website clicks both are same. Just take the website clicks and conversion. Now here, write down my name. What is that? RTS website clicks and conversion campaign. What is my daily budget is $15. My total budget is $50. Done working by 2.5 days. So three and a half days. So clear? Now, what that? Start date and date. I can fix my date, schedule date. This date too I can finish by the 14th. Just working for 1.5 day. Now, this is called website clicks. Now daily budget and total budget. Click for next. Now here, I'm starting with my first post. What are my post here? System market and salaries. Now here, I'm setting for first post. Here, what is it? Where my post will be promoted. One is called profile and tweet, detail page, search result, and this one is the expand your reach for the Twitter audience platform. 3 platforms they're promoting for. Now here, what asking for? Marketing and special education. I'll add it to my website. What is that? Rakesh Tech Solutions.com. Now click for next. Now, any gender, all age groups. But I'm setting for age range 13 years to 49 years. Now, location will be India. Now, I'm selecting for language for English. So here, device model. So I'm selecting for all models, OS version, all OS, device model, all devices, platform. I select for desktop, other mobiles, and an iPhone, all. So if you are interested for change your location. You can. Yes. Now previous only India is there. Now adding with the you can. Yes. Now language English. Platform will be desktop, other mobile, iOS and Android mobiles. Now here. What is that? Interest. But I'm adding with the keyword. System marketing. Now SEO. So who are search with this keyword? They show my video ad. Look here, how many members are there? 5.48 million people are there. So SMM. 12.1 millions. SMO. It's very rare. 323K. 32,000. See, 2.43 millions. So these are my keywords. System marketing, SEO, SMO, SEM, SMM, and video marketing. We can write by email marketing, or we can write by PPC marketing. We can write by affiliate marketing. It is so yeah. We're asking for including your Twitter followers. And not adding for the Twitter followers. So this is audience by platforms, language, and location and age. I'm adding with the male or females, any gender, audience for this one. I'm not adding any kind of audience. Now click for next. So yeah, I can explain. How much order? 0.20. So automatic bid. See here. See here. No event are there. I'm clicking for next. Check. Campaign name, campaign, started and date, and daily budget and total campaign budget will be the end of this. So paying will be standard. So yeah. So you have the doubt. So where my ad will be showing. So here, this is called Twitter profile. Just I'm open for the Twitter account. Just look the here. Is showing anything promoted here? This tweet. Just come to here. They showing has a promoted. Look here. What is that? Who will promote it? Twitter ads. So if you click this image, they're going to where? Where? They're going to my website. This is called website clicks. So right, second thing is they show by here also. Where? Here also. And when searching for your profile setting also, they show your ad. Here. Right, no ads will be there. They showing by here also. That is called profile right side. Now here. Done. My click will be $0.20. Automatic bid. Link clicks. Nothing but your website link clicks. So they, who will be promoting? My video promoting for the my website click. How do I click by the my YouTube and my website? Both will be promoted here. Now here. What the option call is? Launch your campaign. We'll check. The campaign will be accept or not. Right now I'm not adding payment. When adding payment, your campaign will be start. We'll check. Our campaign will be active or not. Just go here. Edit access to your account. Option call is view ad manager. Now check. Running or not? This is called running for the your ad. So remember, if you promoting website click everything, this is post based on by your Twitter post. So how to promote your YouTube video and any video is based on by the Twitter post only. See here, just I'm go to the post. Within 3 days they will be expired. Why? Because this is start date and this is called end date. Clear? They will be created by ad will be like this. This is called website clicks and video promoting using with the Twitter post and using with the Twitter ads.